Identical flags. Part 2. How to play. There will be up to 4 flags on the screen and 10 seconds to think. Have time to guess all the flags. Give yourself 10 points for each correct answer. Don't forget to write about your results in the comments. If you liked the video, you can support the author by liking and subscribing to the YouTube channel. And if you want to support the Quiz Crazy project in some other way, and contact the author, then go and subscribe to our page in Ko-Fi. Link to the page in Ko-Fi in the description and in the attached comment. Thanks in advance to everyone for watching and supporting Quiz Crazy.